Hi guys, welcome back to Drawing Land for Kids. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Spongebob. Spongebob is one of my favorite characters, so let's go ahead and get started. As always, I'm using a Sharpie, but you guys can use whatever you have at home. We're just going to come over here on our paper, and I'm going to start with the top part of the sponge. So we're just going to draw a wavy line going across. When you're ready, we're going to draw two lines coming down, but I'm going to make this one a little just have it come down, and then you want to bring this other wavy line down, but you want to have it curve at the bottom. So something like that. We're going to go ahead and draw a wavy line at the bottom. Okay, now we're going to draw, I'm going to start by drawing the face. So let's go inside the face, and we are going to draw about halfway. We're going to draw a little curve line right here and a little curve line right at the bottom, and we're going to draw the mouth first. So we are going to draw a curved line right over here, and now I'm going to go and add two teeth. One, two. When you're ready, we're going to draw the rest of the smile. So we're going to draw a curved line and end it right under this first tooth. Now let's go inside and add the tongue. We're going to draw a curved line here, followed by another curved line. Now let's go and add the nose. So right over here, we're going to draw a sideways letter U. It's kind of elongated, just like that. Now we're going to draw a little curved line and connect it to this line right here. I'm going to add 3 dots over here, just for some detail. Now, right over here on the left side, we're going to draw his first eye. So we're going to draw a circular shape right over here. Now let's add another curved line here for the other eye. Now, this eye is behind this one, so we need to continue it. So I'm going to pick it back up from here and draw a curved line. And then you want to attach it to the nose. If yours looks different, that is totally okay. These are all going to look different. They're all not going to look the same. Now I'm going inside the eyes and I'm adding a circle. Now let's go inside the eye and add another circle. But this time I'm going to fill in the inner circle. So let's do that. Now this would not be Spongebob without his famous lashes. So let's go ahead and draw 1, 2, 3 lashes here. And let's do the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3, except I'm going to go inside and I'm going to make these lashes a little thicker. So I'm just taking my Sharpie, or if you're using a pencil, you can just go inside these lashes and make them a little thick. It looks a little bit more like SpongeBob. Okay, now let's go ahead and draw the side. So we're going to draw a curved line coming down. And let's go all the way down, but we're going to stop at this halfway mark. So let's go down, stop here. Now for the sleeve, actually I'm going to skip that part. Let's leave a space right here and then continue our curved line down here, and then we're going to connect it right here. So I'm actually going to skip over to this side. This side's a little easier to draw, so we're just going to draw a curved line right here. That's for the sleeve. And for the arms, we're just going to draw 2 straight lines. When you're ready, let's draw one of the fingers. We're going to draw a curved line. That's the thumb. We're going to draw 3 more fingers. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to connect to this line right here. If you need to watch that again, you can rewind and pause and take your time. That is all okay. Now I'm going to go over to the other side, and I'm going to draw a line right over here. And then I'm going to draw another curved line right here, but I'm leaving a space right here for the arm to come out. So let's draw a curved line here. And then let's go ahead and draw those 2 straight lines to make the arm. Now we're going to draw a line here and a line here. Here's our thumb. Now let's add 3 more fingers. 1, 2, 3. And then let's just add a little curved line inside the hands. Okay, before we move on to the pants and the legs, we're just going to go inside our sponge, and we're just going to add all these holes inside Spongebob. So you want to vary the sizes, so don't make them all look the same size. Okay, maybe one over here, bigger one over here. And then we almost forgot, we're just going to draw a little line right over there. I would say that's pretty good. You don't want to do too much. You want to leave some areas alone. Okay. Now let's draw a straight line coming down. Sort of like a box shape down here. So we're just going to draw 2 straight lines. And then let's make this one a little bit longer. And let's add a little line right here, connecting. It should be a little slanted, so it's not completely straight, but a little bit slanted. Now we're going to draw a line going down here, and a line right here connecting to this side. When you're ready, let's draw the tie. I'm going to draw 3 lines right here. line here, and 2 lines down here. That's for his tie. Let's draw his collar for his shirt. We're just going to draw a V shape right here and another V shape right here. And now we're going to take this space and we're going to divide it in half, and we're going to draw a line here and a line here. Now we need to go in and add some details, so I'm just using my Sharpie and drawing some thick little black lines, because that's what you see on SpongeBob's pants. Just like that. When you're ready, let's draw his pants and his legs. So we're going to draw 2 curved lines. This part's super easy. And 2 curved lines here. 2 lines here. And let's draw a curved line right over here at the bottom. Now his socks, we're just going to draw a line here, and a couple more lines. Okay, the last thing we need to add are his shoes. So let's go ahead and do that down here. Let's go ahead and draw a curved line, kind of like a circle. Let's draw a circle. And then we're going to draw another circle here, and another circle here, more like an oval shape. Make sure they're the same size. Now we're just going to add a little triangular shape right here for the bottom of the shoe. I'm going to draw a little oval right here for the highlight on the shoe, and a line right here and a line right here. Now we're going to go in and shade in everything with the black Sharpie, because he is wearing black shoes. If you want, you can use colored pencils. And there you go. There's SpongeBob. I hope you enjoyed, oops, I gotta connect this line right here. I hope you guys enjoyed drawing along with me step by step. Let's come back and see what the colored version looks like. Okay guys, here's the colored in version. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is one of my favorite characters. I used to watch SpongeBob when I was in middle school, actually. I don't know if you knew, but SpongeBob came out around 2001 or 2. I can't remember, but I do remember I was in 7th grade. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.